The important stocks that are announcing its September month quarterly results in tomorrow's trading session are: the first and very important stock is Reliance Industries. So this is very important stock which is announcing its quarterly results in tomorrow's trading session, September month quarterly results. So any changes in Reliance Industries will hugely impact on Nifty 50, as it is the number one stock in the as per the weightage of Nifty 50. Okay. The next stock is PVR Limited, Inox Leisure. So these two stocks are media sector stocks. So any changes in these two stocks will impact the media sector hugely. Okay. The next stock is Tata Consumer Product. Currently it is in the sell trend. The next stock is Tata Elxsi Limited. So currently it has given the breakdown below the important support level. So apart from that, we got an double top chart pattern. So the neckline is currently broken. The next stock is Yes Bank, HDFC Life Insurance. Currently it is in the downtrend. So it is making an lower high, lower low series. The next stock is Federal Bank. So previously it was playing in a symmetrical triangle. So as you see, it was playing in a symmetrical triangle. We got a breakout of this. So after the breakout, a small retracement, and it is continuing its upward direction. Tomorrow also we can try this on the buy side. So these are the important stocks that are announcing its quarterly results in tomorrow's trading session. So apart from these stocks, so some of the other stocks are also announcing its quarterly results. I have watchlisted only the important stocks as per my point of view. So as you see, these are the stocks that are announcing its quarterly results in tomorrow's trading session. So the date is mentioned here next to it. So it is 22nd October 2021, right? So let me show all the list. So you can pause the video and you can check the stocks as per your importance. So in the next page, so here the important stocks are listed. So as you see, Reliance, PVR, and Tata Consumer Product, Tata Elxsi. So these are the important stocks as per my point of view. So I have watchlisted these stocks. So apart from this, let me scroll down the page. So as you see, we got an Yes Bank, right? So these are the important stocks that are announcing its September month quarterly results in tomorrow's trading session. So for daily videos like this, make sure you are subscribing my channel. So you'll be getting daily videos like this. So I have made a video on best stocks to trade in tomorrow's trading session. So make sure you are watching this video too. Thank you.